Welcome to Genesis video tutorial. Today we would talk about mobile wallet and how we can use a mobile wallet with Genesis POS application. Since India is making progress towards a cashless economy, more and more innovative digital payment modes have gained importance. One such payment mode is mobile wallet. When we speak about mobile wallet, the first two names that comes to our mind are Paytm and MobiKwik. They are the most used mobile wallet in the industry. Currently, we are integrating both Paytm and MobiKwik with Genesis POS. Let's see how it is done. We are into the mode of payment section of the retail management module. A new mode of payment type has been introduced in the form of mobile wallet. Let me show how to create a wallet type MOP. Click on Add. And here is the MOP creation window. The process is similar to what we have seen before. Type the MOP name. Come to shortcode. Now you have to remember you cannot just provide any shortcode because the shortcode links the mobile wallet with the Genesis license server. So before you provide a shortcode, you have to consult the Genesis help desk. I am providing a sample shortcode here. Click on the radio button for mobile wallet. Now click on the config button. This config button is only enabled when you click on the mobile wallet radio button. This is the wallet configuration window. There are two different ways of configuring a mobile wallet. First way is the browse and select option. Click on the select file button. Browse to select the wallet configuration file. The XML based configuration files would be available for download from Genesis knowledge base. The file would contain the setting names. Setting values would be separately provided by wallet vendors to the users. As of now, both Paytm and MobiKwik configuration files would be available from the Genesis knowledge base. Once the XML based configuration file is selected, click on the upload button. The software would upload the wallet configuration details. Click on the save and close button to save the configuration. The second process is that of the manual configuration. Click on the add row button. A new row would be added. Type the setting names and setting values. These are some of the sample values I have inserted. Once the configuration values have been inserted, click on the update button. In this way, once the entire configuration is inserted, click on the save and close button. Once the wallet is properly configured, save the wallet window. Now open the wallet window and allocate this wallet to a particular site. If you want to specify any site-specific configuration for the wallet, you can click on this config button. Open the MOP configuration window and in the similar way shown previously, select configuration file either by browse and select method or by clicking the add row method. Here you can see is another button which is the show wallet MOP configuration button. This button on clicking shows the wallet MOP configuration. This is only for viewing purpose. No modification is allowed over here. This is the global wallet configuration for the wallet type MOP. Now once site allocation is done, click on the save and close button. Your configuration has been done properly. Now you have to sync the data to POS stores.